When developing a product or service, it is essential to know what problem we are solving for our users. But as designers, we all too easily shift far away from their perspective. Simply put, we forget that we are not our users. User research is how we understand what our users want, and it helps us design products and services that are relevant to people. User research can help you inspire your design, evaluate your solutions, and measure your impact by placing people at the center of your design process. And this is why user research should be a pillar of any design strategy. This course will teach you why you should conduct user research and how it can fit into different work processes. You'll learn to understand your target audience's needs and involve your stakeholders. We'll look at the most common research techniques such as semi-structured interviews and contextual inquiry, and we'll learn how to conduct observational studies to really understand what your target users need. This course will be helpful for you whether you're just starting out in UX or looking to advance your UX career with additional research techniques. By the end of the course, you'll have an industry-recognized certificate trusted by leading companies worldwide. More importantly, you'll master in-demand research skills that you can start applying to your projects straight away and confidently present your research to clients and employers alike. Are you ready? Let's get started.